This is Learn Igbo on igboticnono, and you're welcome to yet another video. In today's video, the Igbo phrase, the Igbo word, the Igbo language generally that we're learning today is stockfish. Stockfish in Igbo is Okporoko. If you're a correct Igbo person, or you're an Igbo person, or you want to marry to an Igbo person, you should know that we don't joke with Okporoko. Stockfish is usually in our food. Well, these stockfish generally now are quite expensive, especially in Nigeria, where it's most often used or eaten. It's quite expensive. So Okporoko can be a rich man's food, can be a rich man's meat that they use in their soup. But basically, it gives this nice taste, this nice aroma to your soup. So let me tell you, if you're here and you're just a new person within this environment, when I mean this environment, I mean you're a new person trying to be within the Igbo speaking people, or you can have a boyfriend that is an Igbo person, or you just love generally Igbo as a culture, you should try using this stockfish in making your soup, or in making him a soup. Just putting it into that soup changes the taste entirely. So today we're going to be learning about that Okporoko, that stockfish. Now we're going to be learning sentences of vocabularies that are within, or that we use most times around this Igbo phrase, which is Okporoko, or stockfish, as English people may call it. So now we continue. Stockfish, dry cod fish, as some people may call it. Okporoko is azu echekporo echekpo. Azu echekporo echekpo. Do you understand? Okporoko is not they didn't use fire to like burn it or anything. Like they froze it. Do you understand? Echekbo. Do you understand? That is why it's looking so dried and slanky like that. Do you understand? Okporoko azu echekbo. Okporoko is very good in making Igbo soup, or Igbo food, or cooking Igbo soup, as you may refer it to. Isi Okporoko na-atọ ụtọ nke ukwuu. Isi Okporoko na-atọ ụtọ nke ukwuu. Isi Okporoko na-atọ ụtọ nke ukwuu. You know, the way the Okporoko looks, still, they have the prices. Do you understand? If you're buying towards the tail side, it's a little bit cheaper when you're buying the head, because they believe the head of the Okporoko is the main place that the taste of that Okporoko lies in. So if you go to market and you're buying the tail side, it's a bit cheaper. If you're buying the middle side, it's a bit cheaper. But if you're buying the head, it's kind of very much expensive, because they believe that is where the taste of the Okporoko is. Okay? Ndị Igbo na-eji Okporoko esi nri. Ndị Igbo na-eji Okporoko esi nri. The Igbo people use stockfish, or cod fish, like you may want to say, to make food. We use it to make soup, egusi soup, ogbono soup, oha soup, ede soup, nsala soup, the vegetable soup, different kinds of soup. We use this Okporoko to make it in Igbo land. Do you understand? Ndị obodo Norway na-emepụta ezigbo Okporoko. Ndị obodo Norway na-emepụta ezigbo Okporoko. Statistics has had it that Norway is a country in the European part of European part of the world. I wanted to say Nigeria, sorry. It's a country in Europe. They say basically in statistics, yes, they are the top, that they have good Okporoko, they have good stockfish in Norway. That is because, I think that is because Norway is a very cold place, and this Okporoko, maybe they strive there, I don't know. But Norway na-emepụta ezigbo Okporoko. People from different countries, different part of the world, they come to Norway to get Okporoko, as statistic has said it. I've not been to the place where they're getting this Okporoko, but that is what it is. Maybe because this place is very extremely cold. Okay. Okporoko bụ ezigbote azụ eji mara ndị Igbo. Okporoko bụ ezigbote azụ ejiri mara ndị Igbo. Okporoko bụ ezigbote azụ eji mara ndị Igbo. Okay? Okporoko bụ ezigbote azụ eji mara ndị Igbo. Okporoko is the fish or whatever they use in knowing Igbo people. If that okporoko comes in, that cod comes in, it changes the smell of this place. But not to worry, after making your soup, just scent your kitchen or the place you used and everything is fine. Trust me, the most important thing is when you taste it, you understand. Okporoko dị ezigbote ọnụ n'ahịa. Okporoko dị ezigbote ọnụ n'ahịa. Okporoko is very expensive in the market. That is just the truth. It's very expensive in the market. It's not a poor man fish. It's unfortunately that every class cannot eat it more often. Some people that have higher class, they use it to make soup all the time. You know, when you see their plate of soup, you know these people are rich. Of course, some people that are in lower class, you can't see it in their food now. Whenever you see it in their food, maybe once in a year, once in 6 months, because it's very expensive. Now with the inflation in Nigeria, I'm sure that even the middle class that are enjoying it have even gone down to the lower class. So now it's only going to be for the topmost class, level 5, is what is going to be eating okporoko in Nigeria now. Unfortunately, just like bread beans, okwa. I don't know why, but it's what it is. Okay, guys, I just want to introduce this to you guys, so you know that as you're learning Igbo, you know what the Igbo people like, what we are usually accustomed on, what we are around. Do you understand with fish are fish, but this okporoko, ndị Igbo ejighị egwu egwu. Ndị Igbo ejighị egwu egwu na nni. Ndị Igbo ejighị egwu egwu na azụ ndị ọzọ dị kacha na okporoko anyị ejighị egwu egwu. Ịghọtago? Okay, guys, hope you are subscribed to this channel. If you have not, please consider doing so, and giving this video a thumbs up, putting a comment down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.